Hello and welcome to Store Setup Pro. Today I'd like to go over with you how to add a favicon to your Shopify store. A lot of people ask what a favicon is, and basically it's this little icon up in the tab by your website name. This icon can be like your logo or really whatever you want it to be. But let's figure out how to add that on your Shopify store today. First of all, you'll log in. It'll automatically take you to the home page. My store is not totally set up yet, so this is how it looks. To add that icon, you go to Online Store. It's going to automatically take you to the Themes page. Scroll down and you'll see a Customize button right here. You'll go ahead and click on that Customize button and you'll come up with the pages you can edit. It just automatically goes to your home page. And you'll have a menu here, just icons. You'll go down to the little wheel or cog, sprocket I guess you could call it too. Click on that and you'll see an option for logo right here. That's where the favicon is located. You'll see logo, width, and favicon. You'll just click on select. You can add it from your computer by clicking on add images. Or I've already got mine loaded on here, and my favicon's this little logo right here. I'll go ahead and select it, and then click on Done. This loads it into your page, and you'll click on Save, and that's all there is to it, really. And let's go over to my website right here. We'll click Reload, and you'll see how my favicon just popped right up. Well, that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like it with questions about your Shopify store, feel free to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.